Hi guys, I just wanted to do a really quick video to show you how to add the Money Moves unit onto your EverFi account. Some of you I see have, some of you have not, but I wanted to walk you through that process. I'm going to sign out of my account, and I'll sign in as a student account. This is just a student who has dropped the class very early on. So we'll go ahead and we'll sign in. Signing in as this other student. Here's our privacy notice. Now you can see here that this student does now actually have all of the units here. So if you are not seeing, this one is called Money Moves, and this is where we're going to be working from today. If you did not see that, you would come back here to where's my tab? You would come back here to our coursework page, and we would come down here and we look at this EverFi, and we would take this original code from way back in August, and we would copy that code, and we would paste that code in and add that course. And it's going to ask you a couple of questions here, most of which you can just make something up. And now here, if those courses were not previously there, actually what it has done now is given us duplicates of everything. But at any rate, this is how you would add the second course. We're going to start Money Moves here today. Money Moves is all about financial security, especially as it is on the web. I'll share a personal story with you here in class about having my identity stolen, but I will talk more about that in class. I just wanted to put this video together because I know that some of you are not able to join us in class. I didn't want you guys to feel left behind. Keep working on those work-based learning hours, and I will talk to you in class.